Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So first up, we have someone making a project using some twine. She used cardboard there to kind of do the sizing. And then she is looping the twine around some more cardboard here. Brushing it out. Oh, I like that hairbrush with the unicorn. That is cute. And then she did two different sizes here. Now you can do this same technique and make like a mirror, but it looks like she is making like the structured decor piece here. She painted the base black. Oh, this came out so good. You know what? You could actually add some mirrors to these if you wanted to. That would be cute as well. Yeah, those came out really good, and she made it seem so easy to replicate. So next up we have some marble pieces here. Not sure where she got these. Oh, looks like a Home Depot or something maybe. Okay, so she's taking the three pieces here. Glued the little pieces onto the big piece. Oh, it's kind of like a tray. Oh, she made like a little perfume stand. That is so clever. Wow. Really cute decor idea. Looks so high-end and fancy as well. Very cool. Alright, so next up we have some wooden pieces here. And we are at Hobby Lobby, one of my favorite decor places to shop. You can also grab these probably from like Michael's, any type of like crafting store. We have some paint here, painter's tape, some stain, Now there's a couple of different things that you can do with this same kind of idea that she's playing around with, maybe making some type of clock. And she adds some hooks here. Oh, it's like a keychain hanger. That's cute. Wow, so easy to replicate as well. Hanging up by your front door. Very cool project. And obviously you can do any color you want. You can even paint it pink if you wanted to. Yeah, that is definitely an easy one. Alright, so we got some wine here. I'm digging the aesthetic. She's got a candle going there in the background, the fairy lights. And it looks like she's just doing a little project. So she's got some clay. So she's doing kind of like an imprinting here. And she's making this like look so relaxing. The fact that she had her wine and she's like just making her little project, like that's definitely a vibe. So it looks like she did two. Now this could either be like a nice little like decorative, you know, decor plate, or you can hang it up. That is really pretty. You could even paint the little, I don't know what you used for that. I'm not sure what that plant is called. I don't want to say anything and have it be wrong. Okay, so we got the little planter hack someone's doing here. The color scheme is really pretty. Oh, they added a third one. I've never seen that before. Okay. So this is definitely like an outdoor decor design that they're doing here. Oh, I was just thinking, oh, you could put a fountain at the top and then she adds some water. Oh, this is cool. Oh, wow. That is such a fun project. Absolutely love the way that this turned out. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.